In this video, I want to show you how you can easily export your LinkedIn company followers. So here, for example, I'm on my LinkedIn company page. And here, as you can see, I have 57 followers. So these 57 followers might be good leads for me. And that's why I need a way to identify them, get their verified emails, and then reach out to them. So if you want to do that, you need to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and then you click on lead filters here. Alright, so on the left part of my screen, I have all the filters I can use to find some leads. And the one filter we want to use to identify people who follow your company is here, buyer intent, and we need to click here on this button, following your company. And now on the right part of my screen, I have all the people that are following my company. So because I don't want to reach out to all of these people, let's say that I will add more filters. One that might be interesting is to add current job title here and say that you want only people who are decision makers. And so for that, you say you want people who are CEO, founder, chief marketing officer, head of sales, and so on. But for this tutorial, I will use this filter here, posted on LinkedIn. So I toggle this button, and now as you can see, I have 28 results. So now if I want to export these people on the right part of my screen into a CSV and get their verified email, unfortunately on Sales Navigator, you can't do that natively, but with GiveMeLeads, you can do that. So you can go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you can click in the first link in the description. Then you click on get 10 leads for free. You create your GiveMeLeads account, you install the Chrome extension, and then you will get a button like this one, extract leads. So basically when you do a search and you want to extract your leads and get their emails, you just need to click on extract leads, and then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. So let's do that. Alright, so now I just need to click on continue, then save changes. And now that I've defined my target, I just need to click here on new leads export. I say that I want 28 people, and then I just need to click on export leads. And now my export is currently running. I will just rename the export, and it was company followers and posted on LinkedIn. Press enter, and now we just need to wait a few minutes to get our leads file. Alright, so we are back after 1 minute and 15 seconds. If you want to access your leads file, you just need to click on download here, and you click on download CSV. So this file contains all the people that I wanted to target on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I have all these people, and with GiveMeLeads, you have access to a lot of data. So you have the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, you have the verified email, you have the job title, location, is premium, is open. And for example, is open is very useful if you want to send free email. And what's interesting is that you have informations about the company of the lead. So you have the company name, you have the company website, you have the company location, company industry, and much more informations. So as you can see here, for the first name, last name, and the company name, we removed the emoji like skyrocket emoji. We make sure that the first name and last name is well written and that you don't have any problems with capital letters. And what's good with this data is that you can easily upload this file into your CRM or your favorite outreach tool. And you don't have to double check the data, edit some details and so on, because it's already done with GiveMeLeads. So if you want to export your company followers or even your leads from Sales Navigator and get their verified emails, you can try GiveMeLeads for free. And for that, you just need to click in the first link in the description. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day, and I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.